Rocket Man should have been handled a long time ago.
Alright guys, so for the last video of my Pythagorean greedy cup series, we got this beauty right here. There we have it. Alright, so this one's a little different from the other ones in that it has a bunch of channels around it, so it should drain really fast, in theory. So let's give it a try here. Oh! Wow. Yeah, that works. Yep. That works really well. It doesn't quite drain all the way. I think it might be because I wasn't holding it perfectly level. I think that might be part of it. But I've got one more special treat for you guys. So I'm going to try it with vegetable juice. So we can see a little better the drainage canals, or whatever you call it. This was a bad idea. It's not working very well with the vegetable juice. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some water in it. Oh, there we go. So you can kind of see the drainage. That looks kind of cool. Mixing it with water kind of helps the viscosity. So I'll try it again. One more shot here. Water and vegetable juice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll be on to something else with the next video, some more 3D antics for you.